How are you? Hope everybody is good. I just want to say thank you so much for your support, and I really appreciate it a lot. So welcome back once again, and today we have a lot of things to talk about. There are new strategies and things we need to share. But I think today we'll be going through some reviews, and I'll be answering some questions. Okay, before we move to the next phase. Okay, it's better we answer all these questions, and so that you don't get confused. Okay, so let me go. The first question here. This guy is saying, Are you fully zoomed in? Because it makes a difference in the indicators if you are zoomed in or out. No, I don't fully zoom in. So I use level 2. If you understand level 2, let me show you. Let me demonstrate here. So if you are on laptop, so just press Ctrl and minus to zoom out until you can no longer zoom out. Then press Ctrl plus twice, 1, 2. That's level 2. I use level 2. Sometimes I use level 3. So based on what I'm looking for. Okay, so I don't fully zoom in and out, like the guy was asking. So on iPhone or on your mobile phone, to do that, you use your two ends. You hold down the screen down. You zoom out, then you do it to zoom in. Then you need to do this. Use the same method and zoom out twice. 1, 2. This is level 2. This is level 2. Okay. So let's go to the next question. So this guy is asking about the broker. So he's asking, which broker are you using? So I'm using Derif. Okay. Somebody answered already. So this one is saying good strategy, but that's not a real account. I believe somebody answered. He said it works on real. So for the curiosity, you know what? To be practical, open real account and demo. Open them side by side. You can trade them at the same time. So that's the only way to find out whether it works on real account or demo. So, and this one saying, but you didn't give market facility. And sorry for that. I did on the second video after this one. So let's do it for the benefit of people that maybe you didn't get it. Okay, so let's do it. And okay, let me clear this one and show you exactly. I'll show you the 3 indicators. Okay. So I'm clearing everything so I can show you. Okay, so when you open your chart on your mobile phone, it should be like this. Okay, it should be like this. So what you need to do, you tap, you go to this effect here. So what you see here is main chart. So and that's where we want to add the indicators. So you click on that F plus sign here. So the first one we are adding is CCI. CCI, let's look for it, which is Commodity Channel Index. That's the first one. So these are the settings. You can copy. Period 14, apply to, okay, then style 2 pixel. The color you can copy. Then what you do is you save. Don't forget to save. So now you can see two charts here. Now you can see the main chart and the indicator window 1, and you see under indicator window 1 we have our commodity channel index. The second one we are adding is moving average. So now we are clicking on the F plus next to the indicator window 1. Okay, because we want to add everything under the indicator window 1. This is our moving average. So these are the settings. You can copy. Period 10, shift 0 method, simple, apply to close. You can copy everything. Then you do what? You save. The last one, which I forgot to show you on my video, on my first video, is what do you call it? Which one is a MFI? Okay, market facilitator index. So we click on indicator window 1 to add the third one. So let's go. It should be the last one here, market facilitation index. So we click on it. So you can see the settings here. You can copy. Okay. And don't forget to save, and that's all. So now when you look here, you see you can see it's how it look like. Okay, so if you want your background to look the same like mine, what all you need to do is just to tap, okay, click here, scroll and look for, you can customize everything here. Let's go to color here. So you can copy everything here. These are all this is my setting. Okay, let me do it slowly so that you can get it. Okay, and when you are done, don't forget to always save. Okay, that's for that one. Okay, let's go. So that's I show now you have the 3 indicators now. She work in the house. Somebody say that's not a live account. I believe we answer that one. Okay, show your account. Okay, this one say sure way to your account may work sometimes, but in long run you will lose. Let me explain something about the risk management. In one of my videos, I talk about risk management. You need to learn to manage your risk. Okay? When the trade is going against you, you need to accept it's going against you, and you need to come out. Okay? You need to come out. Maybe you just need to accept the risk and say, okay, maybe I am ready to lose 2, 3 to 5 candles, and if it doesn't come, okay, just accept the risk and move on, so that you save your money. Don't blow everything. Okay, so that you save that one to trade. Okay, again, you have many possibilities in a day. Okay, you have many possibilities. If you lose now, doesn't mean that you cannot trade again. There are possibilities. So when things is going against you, let me say, even the professionals, people lose. That's the truth. People don't want to hear that one. Me, I won't lie to you. When I started this thing, there was a time I made 1,000 in a week. On Crash 300. 1,000 in a week, and I lost everything in three days, just because of my greed. Don't be greedy. Accept the risk. If it is 2, 3 or 5 candles and it is not favoring you, accept, close the trade and leave. Wait for another opportunity to enter the trade again. That's the risk management. Okay, I lost $1,000 in 3 days because of my greed. Okay, learn to use stop loss. I know that's not what you want to hear, but it will help you in the long run. Learn to use stop loss. Okay? So when it's, even though you don't need to be babysit, you don't need to be there. Okay? You don't need to be there. Put your stop loss. Put your TP. So when you are not there, if the thing is going against you, based on your setting, it will kick you out then and save your money. And if it goes your way, it will keep that profit and take you out. Okay? Okay, the settings for market facilitation index. Okay, we did that one. I provided that one. So okay, there are a lot of indicators I will show you. But to be honest with you guys, what you need to learn is price action. Price action. In one of my videos, if you go and check, I explain about price action, and it's very easy, straightforward to follow. If you know price action, this indicator is just a way to what do you call it? To confirm and say, okay, I know this is the okay. I should do like this. I should do like this. Indicator is just like a green light for price action. Okay. I made a video about price action. You can go and watch it. If you have any problem with it, I can redo it again. Okay, I can redo it again and show full details. Okay, someone said try for crash 500. 500. When I was starting this thing, that's when I do 500 crash 500. I don't do crash 500 anymore because there's no money there. Crash 500, boom 1000. No, let's say crash 1000, boom 1000. They are good to grow your account. Let's say from $5 upward. Okay, it might take you 10 days to reach $50 because 10 days or $100. It might take you 10 days. So there's no money there. I started with it. I started with boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 500, crash 500 was even boom 1000 is still better. It's better compared to the rest. But if you want to let's say you manage to grow your account, let's with crash 1000 or boom 1000 from $5. I've done it before. $5 till maybe $50. I would recommend you to try crash 300. You'll be amazed. Okay, and don't forget to manage your risk. That's the most important thing. Risk management. It won't favor you every time. It's not every time. Things will go your way. But when the thing is going against you, learn to take your shoes and run. Okay, and run. And the reason why it's like that is the more you are winning, the more the derivative are losing, or these people they are losing, the brokers. Okay, every week you always hear them saying they are doing maintenance. They clear the settings, they clear the strategy. So that's why what works yesterday might not work today. Okay, what worked yesterday might not work today. They clear the settings, they destabilize everything, because you making money is a disadvantage to them. Okay, it's a disadvantage to them. That's what you know. It's not like the strategy are not working, the thing is not working. No, they clear the setting. For me to bring something out, it means I have tested the strategies and it works well. Okay. So this one says, sir, I have a question. Doesn't this method require a lot of monitoring, and for some reason it is very accurate and it works very well, 1000%. Like I said, you don't need to babysit. You don't need to monitor it. As long as as I said, no price action. If you don't know price action, the indicators are there. Just make sure you put your TP and SL. Take profit, stop loss. Then you can do whatever you are doing, busy with your daily routine. But if you are that type who can't let go, like when I started this thing, I used to be like that. My eyes will be glued to the screen. Okay, especially when things is going against me, I will be panicking there. So you need to learn to let go. Okay, you don't need to babysit. learn price action with indicator. If you have that green light, even if you like, you can draw your chart. Okay, draw your chart and put the buy limit or sell limit. So when it gets there, it triggers, it takes you in. Okay, then the rest is history. And what I do is, because I do have a lot of things I do, I put my buy or sell limit. I put my SL and TP. So when I come back in the night, I check. So nothing will be running. So it's already, the target already met. So what I see is profit. Okay. This one say cannot place indicator on indicator now. I think I showed you that one. And Cali Boy says, guys, this strategy is working for me 100%. I don't know how to use it to blow your account. Be wise and observant. You will not go wrong with such strategy. Thank you so much for your whatever. And Leo Gomez replied, he said, yo, I don't even know, and I can't translate it in English. So this one said, please create account in OctaFX, copy trade to people so people can copy your trade and you can make money. The goal and the purpose of this tutorial is not for money. Okay, it's for empowerment. I believe if I'm doing well, I should be able to help others. Okay, so it's not for money. That is why I'm not asking you for anything to do one thing or the other. I came across this strategy. I said, no, wow. And if this thing works for me, you should be able. There are some people out there that can benefit from this thing, and that's what led me to this. That's how I started this channel, to help others. And this is not the only channel I do have to help others. So I do also have channel for IT, graphic design, questions and answer, for networking and other stuff, anything IT related. So it's the mission just to help others. Okay, not for money. Okay. So Maxwell said it could actually fail to spike after reaching that oversold region. You are right. That's when you need risk management. Okay, risk management, you need it. When it failed to spike and you put your TP, you can't cry. Come out and wait for the market to settle, then try again. Okay. And guys, there are some times or some hours that are not favorable to trade. I will share it with you in the next video. Okay, there are some hours. So you will notice, if you notice this market, there are some hours when you enter the trade, it's like these people are waiting for you to enter. And that's when you see the thing will be moving rapidly against you. Okay? There are some hours and the period. It's not every time you trade. You need to know, learn the hours. I will explain the hours for you next on, I don't know, maybe third videos or about or like that. Because we have a lot of things to share. So the Nelly replied, he said, don't hold the trade more than 3 to 5 candles. Use risk management. Simple. Thank you so much. So just mention this thing. Use risk management. You don't want to be there and allow your account to turn red while you are there. Just for the sake of holding, thinking that it will come back come back. It might not come back. And for that thing to come back, it might be next 3 days or 5 days. And by then something might have spoiled. You'll be out of the market. So be wise. Use risk management. Okay, this one says trading in a demo account is so much different from a live account. We'll reply this one. Okay, go and try it and let's see. Okay, guys, I'm coming. Yeah, guys, sorry, I just went to get my charger, so my laptop is complaining, the battery. Okay, so Enel Julie say, why are you people always posting strategies that is not working? There is no strategy anyway. Why are you people always deceiving the beginners? The only strategy is price action. All these indicators are more of confirmation. Try this. I blow your account at your own risk. You made a point, but the way you put it, we are not deceiving anybody. I'm not deceiving anybody, okay? You're not here to deceive anybody. Like I said, I'm not asking you to pay me dime, okay? If it is for money, I will have asked you to join the Telegram somewhere and subscribe. Do one subscription, copy the trade subscription every month or what? I don't know how they do it. I will ask them for money, but everybody here, you can say one or two things. I've never asked you for money. If I come here and I ask you for money, it's not me. Okay, so how are we deceiving people there? If I'm not asking them for money, there's no motive, no any interior motive behind this. If it works for me, I believe it can also work for somebody out there, and that's the reason why for this tutorial, not to deceive people. Okay, if it doesn't work for you, I'm not forcing you, I'm not tying you down. Okay, take your shoes and leave. As simple as that. Okay, stop coming here and be poisoning people. So the what do you call it? He did mention price action, which I mentioned earlier. He made a point there. Learn price action, right? Even the professionals, with all the price action, they still combine it with indicators. Okay, they have a lot of indicators out there, and that's what I want you to know. Okay, thank you. So This one say before watching this video, I use RSI and MACD to sell on Boom. You see, I make 300 profit on my demo account. I observe buying at times take a lot, but my observation when MACD and whatever meet up and spike happen just like this, the only issue is that in this market nothing works 100%. But that this strategy don't work is not true. So you just have to be wise. I gave myself the rules after waiting to the point of meeting. If I buy and after 3 to 4 candle is not buying, I opt out of the buying market and wait for my buy signal. Thank you so much. So the guy made a point here. When you enter a trade, okay, 3 to 5 candles, nothing is happening. Okay, nothing is happening. Come out and wait for another signal. Okay, wait for another. Don't dwell there. Don't stay there for a very, very long time. So if okay, Olusegun saying, can you show me your setup? Yeah, I did. Price action is the best strategy. Go and learn it. Thank you so much. That's it. Price action is the best strategy. We appreciate if you guys can learn price action. So that's all for today, and I believe we answered all the questions. And if you have more questions you would like to answer, we tackle it in the next video. I'm available. Okay, I'm available to answer all your questions. And next video I will show you some strategies, and maybe let's start from price action, how it works, and we combine it with indicator, if that will be okay. So thank you guys for your time, and I will see you in the next video, and have a wonderful and blessed day. Thank you so much. Bye.